In this tutorial, we'll walk you through the simple steps to unpublish your site using both the Wix editor and the Wix dashboard. To unpublish your site using the Wix editor, follow these steps. First, open your site in the Wix editor. Next, in the top toolbar, select the Site option. From the drop-down menu, click on Unpublish Site. A dashboard window will appear. Select Unpublish. To confirm your decision, click Unpublish again in the pop-up window. Alternatively, you can unpublish your site from the Wix dashboard. Start by navigating to the Settings section in your site's dashboard. Then, select Website Settings. At the top of the page, you'll find the option to Unpublish. Choose this option. A pop-up window will appear asking for confirmation. Select Unpublish to finalize. Unpublishing your site does not cancel your premium services. They will remain in your account and are available for you to assign to another site. If you have any feedback or questions, please let us know in the comments below. And if you don't have a Wix account yet, no problem. You can sign up for a 100% free account using the link in the description below and start building your own website today.